7 weird but highly profitable remote jobs for 2025. No degree needed. Want to work from anywhere and earn big doing something totally unexpected? These are 7 weird but highly profitable remote jobs that will blow your mind in 2025. And the best part? You don't need a degree to start. Digital tarot card reader. People pay $25 to $100 per reading, and yes, all online. Use Zoom, TikTok, or Etsy to offer mystical experiences. Tools are Canva for digital cards, Calendly, and PayPal. Voice cloner or AI voice talent. With tools like 11 Labs or Murph AI, people are hiring creators to license or clone their voices for audiobooks, characters, and more. Earnings up to $300 per project. Chatbot personality designer. Help companies create a unique tone of voice for their AI chatbots. Yes, your job is literally to give bots a personality. Great for writers and brand experts. Virtual real estate flipper. Metaverse land. Buy land in the metaverse, flip it or lease it for events. Platforms like Sandbox, Decentraland, and Otherside are booming again in 2025. Digital body double. People are paying to license your face for use in AI-generated videos or ads. Some creators earn royalties every month. Sites like Deep Agency and Synthesia are leading this trend. Oddly satisfying content creator. Soap cutting, paint mixing, slime squeezing. If it's satisfying, people watch it. YouTube Shorts plus TikTok equals big dollars in views, brand deals, and product placements. Amazon Return Box Reseller. Buy unclaimed Amazon return boxes, flip items individually via Shopify, eBay, or TikTok Live. It's weird, fun, and insanely profitable. Which weird job would you try first? Comment below, and don't forget, the remote work revolution is just getting started. Like, share, and subscribe for more future-proof income ideas and free guides. Want a free remote job ideas PDF? Check the link in the description.